What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? Alrighty guys, so as you guys can tell by the title, today we are doing a get ready with me. It is currently 8 o'clock on the dot. Y'all see that? Alright, so it's 8 o'clock on the dot, and I'm actually supposed to be going out at 9 today. It's my friend's birthday. Shout out to Nate. If you guys watched my birthday vlog, he was actually in my birthday vlog. I'll roll the clip.
Happy birthday, Stacie. You know how we get down.
So now it's his birthday. It's Aries season, I guess, or whatever. Comment down below if you're Aries. But anyways, it's Aries season, so I'm about to go celebrate with him, you know, just celebrate with people that love me and I love them. So yeah, I'm about to go get ready. Y'all, when I say I was supposed to be productive today, which I was, I had went to the library, planned out some YouTube videos, stuff like that, but I was supposed to, that's my dog, y'all. I was supposed to like literally come home, record all of that, but I was just so tired. So I literally just woke up from my nap, and now we're about to go get ready. So I already picked out my outfit. I didn't try it on yet, so we'll probably figure it out together. But let me show you guys what I'm supposed to wear. I'm actually supposed to be wearing this kind of like one, that's my dog, by the way, sorry, but I'm supposed to be wearing this like one piece, but I'm so aggravated. I literally like this is the outfit that comes with the corset. I'll insert a picture of me when I wore the black version of this, so I never got the chance to wear the white version, and I literally still soaked it and everything, and look at that stain, bro. Like, really? So hopefully I can use like a stain remover to remove that. I don't know if that's like makeup for my hands, but it's a little aggravating. Also, when I ordered this outfit, it came with like this hole in here, and I just hate it. So it kind of forces me to wear the corset, because I was really trying to wear this with this money crop top jacket, because it gets kind of cold at night in Florida. So I was thinking about wearing like this money crop top jacket, but with that rip and that stain, baby, we not going for a type of vibe like that. But I was really supposed to wear something like this, but I have a few to like really think about it and put my outfit together, so y'all gonna see what I end up choosing to wear. But this is giving you guys an idea. So with that being said, I'm kind of zooming, let me zoom out. So with that being said, I'm about to just go hop in the shower, and when I come back, we're gonna go ahead and just do my makeup and chop it up. Alrighty, y'all, so I actually just got out the shower, so let's go ahead and start getting ready. Y'all, the edges is laid right now. Let me just wrap my edges so they stay. Is the sideburn up? Ooh, the sideburn is flipped, tucked, and oof, yikes. So whatever, fuck it, curly hair problems. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap my edges, and we're gonna start with the makeup. Let me tell you guys, let me show you guys what time it is. Hey Siri. What time is it?
It's 9:33 p.m.
It's 9:33 p.m. I came on here at 8 o'clock on the dot, and all I did was take a shower, fix my hair, and walk my dog. So yeah, that's Team Stacie on time. But anyways, we're gonna just fly through doing my makeup right now while I just kind of chat with you guys, you know what I'm saying? If you guys watched my most recent vlog, as of right now, it was the it was the vlog where I went out for spring break, which I have some more content for that. Y'all, all the products I'm using will be listed down below. I really don't have time to be stopping, but all the like, I be telling people, like, I dead ass be going out, like, and I be mad late every time I go out, so I really feel like I be rushing through shit and forgetting a lot of important things. But it's because this is not a drill, this is not a joke. I really be outside. So anyways, I have so much stuff on my desk. I literally my desk has like this drawer, and it like freaking broke, so now everything on my desk is like, I'm so sorry, y'all, hold on. So yeah, everything in that drawer I had to take out, and it's on top of my desk right now, so my desk is like literally fully loaded and looks crazy. But first I'm gonna moisturize my skin, you know what I'm saying? Don't matter how late you are, do not skip that prep, girl. Do not skip prepping that skin. I feel like the hardest part is in my eyebrows. After that, I'm gonna fly through face, because I found this new technique that I like to do with my face now, and I'm gonna make a tutorial on it. I was supposed to do it today, but I was just so tired. So anyways, how y'all been? Like, I feel like I haven't done a talk through in so long. And the main reason why I haven't done a talk through is because like it just takes way longer to edit, and I'm trying to be like more like freaking productive, and a voiceover is just way easier to edit. But let me just give you guys an update, a life update, you know, what's going on, who's new, what's just tea with Team Stacie. So let me just finish my eyebrows real quick, and I'm gonna come back when my eyebrows are done. All right, y'all, so I had to do my brows off camera because I just wanted to get that out the way. So I'm gonna go in with my Juvias Place foundation, and I'm just gonna take a little bit. Like I said, everything I'm using will be linked down below in the description box. But anyway, so let me just give you guys a quick life update. Honestly, first of all, let's talk about myself mentally. I would like to say, I would like everyone to pause and give my pretty self a hand of applause, or a hand of applause, a round of applause, y'all. I'm like so proud of myself. Mentally, I've just been doing so freaking well. I just like really took some time off. If you guys watch like some of my self-love videos, I took a lot of time off, and like I paused from a lot of things that weren't healthy for me, and I just had to put myself, I didn't fucking prime. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, this has to go on my face with no fucking primer. And like literally in the beginning of the video I tell you guys, and don't skip your you know, your prep, because that's the most important thing. And I deadass forgot. But honestly, I'm real life late right now, so skin is gonna have to hold this makeup with no support. So like I said, I put myself first with a lot of things, and I'm just so proud of myself and where I'm at right now. New technique, spray your foundation before you blend it out. But yeah, mentally, like first of all, I had like this spiritual like experience recently, and basically I'm not going to get too much into it. If you guys want to hear that story time, I'll be more than happy to tell you guys about that. But basically I feel like it was lucid dreaming. If you guys know what it's called, comment down below. But I was sleeping, but I feel like my mind was like very active and awake, and it wasn't sleep paralysis. But basically like in that dream, or whatever you want to call it, I just feel like God just kind of showed things like very clear to me. Like I had like kind of a epiphany moment, like a moment of clarity, and basically God was just showing me like how like I basically was just at a standstill, and I was just like trying to like hold on to like people, like in that like dream, or whatever you want to call it. It was like people just moving, and you can tell like I just knew that they were moving for their purpose, and I was just standing still, and I was like literally trying to like hold on and grab like every freaking thing and hold on to something. And I feel like that was like literally just a representation of me trying to like, you know, like I was just putting my life on hold, and instead of like going for my purpose, I'm just like waiting to have somebody accompany in this journey called life. You know what I'm saying? We are just spirits having a human experience. After I had that dream, I was just like so freaking grateful and thankful, because I feel like after that I literally gave up on a lot of relationships with certain guys that were just unhealthy for me, and certain friendships that just weren't benefiting or beneficial for me. I literally just gave up on all of that, and I just started to literally only give a fuck about myself. And ever since then, my life has been freaking great. I literally felt like I was always like on edge for like a freaking mental breakdown. And just after I had that spiritual awakening, and I truly like just let shit go and let people go that were holding me back, life has been super great for me. I've literally, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been trying to like up the smoke on my YouTube channel, you know, uploading 3 times a week. I do at least 2, but about 3 times a week I upload, which is like freaking phenomenal for me, because if you've been rocking with me for as long as I've been on freaking YouTube, you know, like, bitch, I was uploading once a month, and then after that I'm just uploading whenever I can. Then I finally got solid and did once a week. I'm so proud of myself, and I did that for like a full year. Like I literally was uploading once a week, and I was like, oh, look at me, like I'm on fire. That was literally nothing. So now I'm like upping it to 3 times a week, and I'm really just trying to like stay on top of that, because it's a lot. It gets really hectic. And like, let me talk to you guys about my relationships. How's like that going for me? relationship wise, I literally don't give a fuck. Like, I just don't. And I know bitches be talking like that because they got their little feelings hurt or something. As you guys see, I did like a new technique with my concealer, and I'll do a video like updating you guys on that. But I'm gonna do my contour. Yes, it will contour up there in a second. I just can't reach it right now. So anyways, I'm gonna take this off because I need to make sure I get my forehead, because I'm gonna rush and I'm gonna forget. So anyways, yeah, so like I said, in relationships, y'all, I literally just stopped giving a flying fuck. I actually have a story time dropping soon about my experience this spring break in Miami. And when I say, first of all, I've been stopped giving a fuck before that, but when I say that, like, literally, like, really made me not give a fuck about men and needing a boyfriend, and like literally just made my focus even more focused. Like, y'all, niggas ain't shit, and we know that. And I just literally stopped giving a fuck about love and looking for love, and I just found it within myself. And I know it sounds so cliche, but these niggas cannot get my time. Like, I literally would like meet every guy I meet, any guy I would talk to, I'm like, oh my god, he's potentially my boyfriend. I would like literally have this whole fantasy in my head, just knowing him for like, you know, a few days. I'm like having this whole fantasy in my head, like, oh, this is how it's gonna be when he picks me up. And I stop all that shit. Fuck these niggas, bro. These niggas don't want anything but one thing, and it's very evident. I'm just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Hot girl summer coming up. We about to be vlogging for hot girl summer. Fuck, I look like being at home with some nigga. Shout out to if you have a boyfriend though. I hope you guys work out. I hope things go great for you. But I'm gonna hold it down for you. I'm gonna play your position during this summertime madness, okay? I was really supposed to like go on Instagram and ask you guys like questions that you guys want me to answer, but honestly, I decided to go off the dome and just keep it real and authentic with you guys. So I'm just gonna fucking set my face with Laura Mercier setting powder. I literally live by this powder. This powder is like fire. I've just been literally living life. I'm so happy. I think I'm like the happiest I can remember, and like that just makes me so happy to say that. Like, I literally kind of got a little emotional saying that. Like, I'm like one of the nicest people you'll ever meet. Anybody that knows me will tell you Stacey's always smiling, but I really was going through shit behind closed doors. I really just wasn't happy as I portrayed myself, and I'm just like really happy that I'm actually happy now. Like, this shit is not a drill. Like, I'm actually genuinely happy. So yeah, I'm just taking a little bit of liquid lipstick and I'm putting that on my cheeks for a cream blush effect, giving myself some color into my face. We're just gonna blend that out. But yeah, like I said, guys, like, I'm actually genuinely happy, and I just really want you guys to come on this like happy journey with me. And I just want to show you guys like how to be happy, bro. Let shit go. Fuck these niggas. Worry about yourself. Love yourself. How to love yourself. Who are you? Figure yourself out. Like, all those questions are so important, because if you don't answer those questions and you jump into like wanting a nigga, you will literally, you're gonna get that. You're gonna get a nigga and you're gonna be like miserable in a few years because you don't know yourself. You just spent all your time trying to know somebody else. So anyways, I'm gonna just put a little highlight on, highlight my face a little bit. Nothing too much. I'm just gonna put a pop of silver and gold on my inner tear duct just to bring some color back into it. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna turn it down right now and show you guys what it's looking like in natural lighting. I really wish I did my makeup in this light this whole time. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands, and I'm gonna come back and put on my outfit. All right, y'all, so this is the outfit, and I told you guys earlier it literally came with this hole in there, because I would high-key like wear it without the corset, but unfortunately we have to be even more extra and put the corset on, because I don't even feel like I have the right sewing stuff to like wear it without the corset. I like to sew it together. I should have been sewed it, to be honest, because it came like that literally as day one as I bought it, but it's okay. Today we'll put the corset with it. So yeah, this is how the corset's gonna look. The corset's obviously gonna be way more snatched than what it is, but It's a very cute outfit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go put lashes on in my car, so yeah. Today's secret emoji is gonna be a glass of milk because I'm wearing all white looking like a glass of milk. Stop playing with me. If you guys like this video, go ahead and comment that down below and let me know so I can do more get ready with me's. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I'm gonna insert pictures of how I look for the rest of the night, and obviously with like my full face of makeup, like with my lashes and lip gloss and stuff. But anyways, with that being said, I love you guys so much and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.